Yeah, just coming into Crest Week. There is a frost about. It is cold. Don't know if you'll see it with that sun glaring at me. It's an absolutely beautiful day. I'm out with Santos today. It is the first day of winter, but it's his last ride for a while. He's going into surgery this week. Yeah, check that out. She is frosty. Starting to look familiar. Santos is behind me. Righto, this track gets interesting very quickly. I've done it a couple of times. It does not show up on camera how steep these hills are. Yeah, she's starting to get steep now. There's another big one. It's not that big, this one, just very steep. It's actually easier than it looks. This is a big one. Up we go. That was a little hairy, but we made it. Oh mate, that warmed me up. Let's just hope Santos gets up alright. That's a nasty hill. Real nasty. Yeah, I got thrown at that tree, I just missed it.
Be careful.
Maybe get on the other side, maybe. Yep, maybe this side. Oh, fuck it all. You're right.
Yeah, now do this side.
Back wheel on the right if we can. That's it, that's it. Rightio. Jesus. He's made it. Yeah, it's a nasty hill. Like I said, I've recorded this a few times, it looks like nothing. Not cold anymore. There's a tip when riding in winter, just pick up an adventure bike a few times on the side of a hill. Yeah, I think I said before, we're out looking for huts today. Santos knows of quite a few huts, but he said he hasn't seen Stevenson's hut before, so I'm going to show him where that is. Just down here. Here we are, first hut of the day, Stevenson's hut. Not much left of this one. There's that little Stevenson's hut. We'll move on to La Franchi hut. Been there a few times now. Right, if I could see where I was going. It's So different to the Wombat State Forest out here. Very, very brown. And very dry for this time of year. There's still frost down there, down in the gully. There's the other side of that gully where it's bare. Wow, far out. What a beautiful day though. Nothing better than a clear, sunny winter's day. No wind. This is definitely one of the better huts in the area. Still smoking the fire. Someone's been camping here. We may as well use the car park. There's still smoke.
Yeah. Maybe someone in there.
Maybe. I better knock. Hello? Not real clear. Oh, smoky in here. Santos was saying last time he was here there was a tent set up inside. So this is either McCain or McCannon track. Depends which map you look at, which sign you look at. They're both spelled different. Not 100% sure. We'll go with McCain. Not overly hard. Nice and hilly. Plenty of rocks, turns, all good shit. Yeah, so this is listed as former gold battery. Not exactly sure what that means. I'll have to find out some history on it and see what it is. Some kind of building was here though. Just there. This is a fun track. I've been through it a couple of times. Looks like nothing part of it. Very hard to follow the track. Just kind of disappears. Yep, I know where I am. I reckon the track's over that way. Just make sure he sees where I go. Someone's been through here since I've been through last. This will lead us to the chimney with the tree growing out of it. There it is, the old historic chimney. That's pretty cool.
Looks bigger now.
Yeah, oh, is it?
Last time I came here, it wasn't that big.
Yeah, righto. It's grown. Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, I remember seeing it on one of your videos or a picture or something. Yeah, the first time I come here and I go, oh shit, I've seen that before.
Yeah, I found this one just for lag. I was riding and I said, oh,
righto.
And then
Yeah.
I found it.
Yeah, right.
And then I just come off that way.
So this is Yandoit track. This was really cool. Comes out of a really cool spot. There's just some cottage ruins down here. There's not much left of them. They're right on the track. Here we are through the creek. Very dry creek. We're right up the middle, I reckon. We just stopped at these cottage ruins, went for a little walk and found a massive mine shaft. I'll go and show you. There's the remains of a building. It's like an old garden there. Those plants definitely don't belong in the Aussie bush. Yeah, it's huge, isn't it? Inside. Be able to see it better. surprised there's not a whole heap of kangaroos in the bottom of these. Yeah, check that out. Looks like a gate down the bottom.
Yeah, that's what
So it must go across. No. It's off that way. There's a spot on the map, it's not far from here, that says deep pit. You climb up this big hole and there's a, you go up a hill and there's a big hole in the ground. I'm wondering if they connect. It wouldn't be far from here. There's old pits everywhere in this little area. Some more chimneys here. Really cool. Well, no, let's see if I can get through here without getting lost this time. Last time I decided not to take a turn I should have and got lost. Lucky I ran into some guys that pointed me in the right direction. Is this one? Yeah, this is the turn I didn't take. See if we can find our way through this time. No idea what this track's called. It gets very hilly from memory. Nothing hard, just big steep hills. Look at that. It's freaking huge. Let's go. Good fun. Another one coming up. Whoa, this one looks like it's vertical from this from this perspective. We'll go second gear to nail it. Beautiful. Oh. What was that? Phone, fuck. Bloody hell, my phone come off. Wait, is that it under me? No way. No fucking way. How the hell did that happen? I've got to kind of stall. I felt that hit me in the thigh and somehow I ended up sitting on it. I've no idea how I did that. Was it clipped in properly? One thing I've noticed sometimes, because of the mag that holds it, you think it's on right and it's not. So possibly. Righto. Yeah. Got to get some speed up there though. Well, this looks like a big one too. Ah, looks like it's straight up. Yeah, look at this one. It's a bit newer, this one. I'm guessing this was an old hut here.
There is a chimney in the other side.
Yeah.
I think the house is lower.
Yep.
And the chimney is in the corner. So.
Yeah.
But it's all destroyed.
Alright.
Yeah, this one, man.
There's some shit here. Oh. Oh, nice. Duke of Cornwall engine house. I'm guessing that's just there. Oh wow, it's freaking huge. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Yeah, well, private property. Huh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, cool. Check this out. All fenced off nicely.
The last time I came here, there was a roof and everything.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, this was a bit of a hike to get here. That little hut was pretty cool. Let's have a look what's down here. There's some thick glass. Yeah, just come over the Loddon River, past the campground, Warburton Bridge. Got one more ruin to look at on Hell's Track. I stopped here a couple of years ago when I did a solo camp trip out this way. There it is. I do remember stuff. Thought it was bigger than that. Yeah, that's it. Time to sign out. Great day out of Santos. All the best with your surgery, mate. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.